Hey, my name is Jenny. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make cards with your Cricut Joy machine. This machine can make cards in just minutes. It's pretty awesome. I'll be showing you how to use your Cricut card mat, how to use Cricut card sets, and how to use other card sets with your machine. I'll also be showing you how to make cards from pre-designed cards in Cricut Design Space, and then how to make custom cards as well. For this project, you'll need your Cricut Joy machine, a Cricut card mat, and some insert cards. This is the Princess Sampler set by Cricut. You can also use A2 size cards, any kind, but if you use the A2 size cards, you'll need to make your own inserts with cardstock and a paper trimmer. You'll also need a set of Cricut Joy pens, a scraper to clean your mat, and then a spatula is optional, but this can sometimes help you lift your card from your mat. First, let's get started with this cupcake card. I'll show you how in Cricut Design Space. Open Cricut Design Space. On the left-hand side, select Projects. To see all of the cards you can make with your Cricut Joy, use the drop-down menu and scroll down to Cricut Joy Insert Cards. These are all cards that are pre-made and ready to go. As you can see, there's quite a variety to choose from. To find the cupcake card, go back up to the drop-down menu and select Free for Cricut Joy. Then scroll down until you see the cupcake card on the right-hand side. Another way to find this project is select All Categories and then search Cupcake Card. Click on the card. When you click on it, you'll see a short description of the project, the finished size, and materials to cut. Click on Make It. Design Space will show you a preview of what you're going to cut. Click on Continue. You are going to be using Insert Card Cardstock. Select that. Now the materials are ready to load onto your card mat. Open up your card set. You'll see that you have the holographic inserts and the pre-scored cards. Select a card to use. Remove the protective film from your card grip mat. This is to protect it from dust. You'll want to save it for later to put back on. You'll see that the mat has a clear front layer. Your card will slide underneath this. Slide the back side of your card under the first layer, making sure to align it with the front guides. Press firmly to adhere it to the mat. You can use your scraper gently to also help adhere it. Now your card is ready to load into your machine. Make sure your blade is loaded into your machine. If it's not, you'll unhook the blue clamp and then clamp the blade back in. Now your card mat is ready to load. The sensors on the Cricut Joy will automatically help it load into the machine. The Cricut Joy machine will check that your mat is aligned. Remember, you need to select Go from your computer because there are no buttons on the Cricut Joy machine. Once you've selected Go, the machine will start cutting out your design. Now that your card is cut out, click Unload on your computer. Remove it from the machine. Carefully remove the card from the sticky backing. The little pieces should stick to the back. Sometimes some will remain with the card and you can take those out later. Once you've removed the card from the mat, take an insert card and carefully put it in each of the corners. Now let's clean our mat. Use your scraper tool to gently remove the pieces of paper from the front. Once you've removed all the little pieces of paper, replace your protective cover on your mat. Now we've made a card using a Cricut Joy card set. These sets are great because they have lots of different options and the cards are pre-scored. It comes with an envelope and the insert. But you don't have to feel limited to only use Cricut Joy sets. You can also use other card sets that are size A2. The great thing about using these sets is there's more colors available and sometimes the price point is a little bit cheaper because you can use your coupon at Joann. If you use one of these sets, you'll have to make your own inserts, which you can easily do with some cardstock and a paper trimmer. I used a purple card from this set and some sparkle paper to make the insert. I'll show you how. You can see that the A2 size card is the same size as the Cricut Joy cards. Remove the protective sheet from your mat and again slide the back of the card behind the clear layer. Make sure your card is firmly adhered to the mat. Load the mat into the machine. You can use your scraper with light pressure to help with this. Here's a helpful tip for using other card sets that aren't the Cricut brand. The cut settings are meant for Cricut materials. Sometimes another brand might be thinner or thicker than the Cricut material. You can select more pressure or less pressure depending on what you are using. You may want to do a test cut before to see what kind of pressure you need to use. Now let's make an insert for our card. Get your trimmer and gently pull on the left-hand side to reveal the ruler. You will use this to measure out your insert. The insert is 4 inches wide by 5 1/4 inches tall. Take your cardstock and measure it on the ruler at the top and then slice. Next, measure out 5 1/4 inches and then slice. You now have an insert that's the same size as the inserts that come with the Cricut card sets. Carefully place your card in all 4 corners. As you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of pre-designed cards available already in Cricut Design Space. Everything from birthday cards to well wishes to get well cards. You can also design your own card in Cricut Design Space. I'll show you how. Remember, when choosing images for your own card, if the card isn't connected, those pieces will fall out. So you do want to choose images that do have a connection to the card. Here is one way you can make custom cards. Open Cricut Design Space. Click on Images. You'll want to search for Insert Cards. This will bring up all of the insert card corners. You can see there's a couple of different options depending on what you want to do. I'll just choose this first one. There's no need to resize this at all because this is the exact size that you'll want for your card. Any image that you choose will need to go inside of these corners. Let's go look at images now. I'm going to look for a heart. Now, when I was saying earlier you need to choose images that are connected, if you choose something like this, when it cuts out the heart and then cuts out the check will come out because the whole heart is cut out. Same thing with this image. If I were to choose this image and insert it, this whole thing will come out, so I wouldn't have this design. I'd have to connect these inside pieces to the outside so this would stay. This one has a connection to the outside right here, so I'm going to choose this heart. It's a little big, so I want to make it smaller. And I'll move it down. One of the nice things is you can select both of your images and then click Align and then center it. Then you don't have to guess where the center is. Now I want to add some text. Click on the text and then click on Cricut, and we're going to filter out the text for just writing fonts. This allows me to see any font that can be used for writing. I like to use this filter to find just what I'm looking for. Let's scroll down and look through some of the fonts. I like how this one looks. Now I'm going to put my text. As you can see, the letters are a little bit spread out. You can make them closer together by clicking letter space. Since it's a cursive look, I want them to connect. Now I'm going to bring it over here to my card design. I'm going to select everything again and then hit center. Now you can change the color of your pen to match the exact pen you're using, but that's not super important because you can always just choose a different color pen. But if you want to see what it will look like in your design, you can change this. So I'm going to be using a gel pen and I'm going to use the purple one, and then I can see. Now this is an important step you don't want to forget. You want to select everything and then hit this attach button so that it all stays in the exact spot where you see it. If you don't hit attach, then your design will shift around. Now we're going to click on Make It. And we're going to choose for pre-folded cards because we're using our card mat. Here we see a preview of it, and you can barely see it says Love You, even it's kind of dark. Now hit Continue. And then select Insert Card Cardstock. Now you can see it will tell you what to do next. Load the purple pen in the clamp. You'll need to remove the blade from the Cricut Joy machine. Undo the clamp and take the blade out. Now you'll put in a purple pen. Take the cap off of the pen and place it into the machine. Make sure to secure the blue clamp again. Get your card and insert it onto your card mat. Remember, the back goes behind the clear sheet and make sure to line it up in the front. Press on it really well so that it's very firmly attached to your mat. Load it into the machine and you're ready to go. Once the machine is done writing, it will prompt you to remove your pen and then insert your blade. Replace the pen's cap and put it away. Now put your blade back into the machine and secure it with the blue clamp. Now the drawing machine will cut out your insert corners and your image design. Once your card has completed cutting, hit unload and then carefully take it off of your mat. Now put in your insert card carefully into the little corners. I hope you had fun today learning to make cards with your Cricut Joy machine. I'd love to see your finished project. You can connect with me on social media at everydayjenny or my website everydayjenny.com. I'll see you again soon.